Welcome to episode 7 of Coding Corner's Python Beginner course. And today we will be covering assignment operators. Assignment operators are pretty similar to arithmetic operators. So if you've seen that episode already, this will be easy for you. So first we have x equals 5. Say x equals 5. Then x plus equals 5. Print x. Okay? And here we see it prints out 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10. We could also use this with the subtraction symbol in front of the equal symbol, and we would get 0 because 5 minus 5 is 0. We could also use the times symbol in order to get 25, since 5 times 5 is 25. And we could use the exponentiation symbol to get 3,125, because 5 to the power of 5 is 3,125. Okay? We could also use backslash to get 1, floor divide to get 1, and the modulo in order to get 0. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.